We use games technology now in infrastructure, asset design and management for lots of purposes, and we see lots of advantages. So one example is that we see the file size nowadays increasing because a lot of people are now using point clouds, and point clouds are fantastic. The only problem is that they're so big, and when we try to produce or to use them in our CAD software, for example, then we are dealing with huge file sizes. So what we do using games technology is we're producing models. We use point clouds, but then we produce models which are semantic, object-based, and have a very, very small file size, and then we throw the point cloud away again because we don't need it anymore. And that is what the technology behind that, the algorithms, etc., for producing these models, that's the clever bit that we've learned from games technology. We understand gamification as a way to make complex or sometimes maybe even dull or boring processes interesting, and to improve learning outcomes through motivating people and by intuitive or playful and enjoyable experiences and applications. So for example, we have an application where there is trained staff and they get trained in the virtual environment on a virtual train, and they have to find faults that we have hidden in the train, and they love it because they find it exciting, and it's like they can play against each other. And what used to be a very dull and boring training, which included traveling, etc., is now a game that they really enjoy doing. And the outcomes, the learning outcomes, they have massively improved. In Germany, I think we have made really good progress in the adoption of digital technologies in construction. From the initial kickoff with our roadmap for infrastructure, we can now see in the now coalition contract that has just been produced and developed, we see BIM and digital technologies in many, many different places, and that I think is fantastic and that shows good progress. Also we see that small and medium enterprises, architects and other companies are now really getting engaged and involved, and see benefits for them as well in adopting new technologies.